Hello friends, this is the problem number 3. Obtain transfer function from given signal flow graph. Here already signal flow graph is given. The first step is you have to find number of forward paths, that is P1. Here the first straight path, its gain is G1 into G2, G3 is G4 is the first forward path. The second forward path is, observe here, it is reaching to this end. If it is not given, you have to take it as gain 1. Now the second forward path is G1, G2, G8 and into 1. That is nothing but P2 equals G1, G2 and G8 is the second forward path. The remaining are not the forward paths. Okay, these are the two forward paths. Now identify the number of loops. Here give the numbers. This is my first loop, this is my first loop L1. Its gain is L1 equals G2 into G7, G2 into G7. The second loop, you give the number. This is the self loop. I am given it as loop 2, that is L2 equals G6, then L3. See here, this is the loop, my loop. I am giving this as L3, trace like this and it comes to same node. Then G2, G3, G5, G2, G3, G5 is the loop number 3. The next loop is this one. It is G2, G3, G4 and G9. That is loop number 4 is this one, G2, G3, G4 and G9. G2, G3, G4 and G9. Next is one more loop is here, that is L5, that is nothing but like this. It comes to this point. That is nothing but G2, G3, G2, G8 and G9 like this. That is my loop 5. And here this is L4. Now loop 5 is G2, G8 and G9. After individual loops, you have to check any two non-touching loops. See here, this L1 and L2 are the non-touching loops. Why? They are not touching to any load, because this is the self node. The remaining all, it is touching to this loop, individual loop. Therefore, two non-touching loops are there. It means L1, 2, that is this one and this one, and we are writing gain, just multiplying these two. It is nothing but G2, G7 and G6. The remaining, this is again here it is touching to the same nodes, hence only two non-touching loops. Now the Mason's gain formula for transfer function T of S equals 1 upon delta summation k pk delta k. Again there is two forward paths, therefore P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 divided by P1 minus delta is the formula. Now P1, P2 is given, we have to identify delta 1 and delta 2. Before that we write delta. Delta is nothing but 1 minus individual loops L1, its gain is G2, G7 plus G6 plus G2, G3, G5 plus this one G2, G3, G4, G9 plus individual loop, that is G2, G8 and G9. The next is plus this two non-touching loops, means L12, that is nothing but G2, G7 and G6. This is our delta. Now delta 1, we have to check whether for the first forward path all the loops are touching or not. We will check. Loop 1 is touching to first forward path, then loop 2 again it is touching, loop 3 touching to the first forward path, similarly 4 and 5, hence delta 1 is equals to 1. Now check to delta 2. Now here in this delta 2 forward path is like this. All loop 1, loop 3, loop 4 and loop 5 is touching to this forward path. But this self loop is not touching, hence we are writing 1 minus that loop gain, that is G6. Now substitute in the transfer function all the values, that is T of S equals P1 is nothing but G1, G2, G3, G4 into delta is nothing but 1 plus P2 is G1, G2, G8 into delta is nothing but 1 minus G6 divided by this delta is nothing but this entire term, that is nothing but 1 minus G2, G7 plus G6 plus G2, G3, G5 plus G2, G3, G4, G9 plus G2, G8, G9 plus G2, G7, G6. This is the transfer function of the given signal flow graph. Thank you.